So now we can see here that the solving is being done. So यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं we have got these green check marks. Now let us take a look at the results. So this is the deformation, total deformation, and this is the equivalent stress. So here I have already activated maximum and minimum options. So if we want, we can also check off them from here. So from these two options, we can see the points of maximum and minimum value in our analysis. So the maximum stress is coming here of the magnitude 855.99 MPa. So this is called as legend. Here the blue zone indicates the least and the red indicates the highest value. Here we can also have a animation of our results. If we want, we can also save this animation by going to export video file for our later use in our project. Now after this, suppose if we want to take the snapshots of the results, then we can directly go to print preview, and here the software captures the screen, and this particular snapshot can directly be saved as a image file. Right click, save picture as, and here we can have this option of bitmap or PNG image, whichever format suits us. And finally, the most important and interesting thing of ANSYS is that whatever analysis we perform, we can directly get a ready-made report built up from the software. And this is very important. Suppose we are working on a college project and we want to submit that report in our thesis, or we want an official report describing the contents of the analysis. So there is no need to prepare it from scratch. So here in report preview, we can directly see that all the contents related to the analysis comes, and once the report is being generated, we can directly send it to a Microsoft Word or PowerPoint format to save it in the respective format. So this completes the analysis of the propeller blade using ANSYS Workbench software. In the next session, we will discuss about material management techniques using ANSYS Workbench.